I want to show you the power of the sun for firelighting. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to use my Hudson Bay. I got this from Boob Bushcraft, I don't know, 10 years ago or something. It's an awesome bit of kit. But in England, it's not always that good for solar firelighting. So today seems the day. It's an old sailor's kit. They used to use this, I think, for lighting cigarettes and stuff from America. They're really hard to get and really expensive. You can get cheaper versions, but I love this copper and this patina effect. Okay, so we take the lid off and there's a magnifying glass in there. Thomas, undo the case for us. In there is just some bits. There's some Amadou, some thistle, there's some char cloth in there. But for this experiment, Thomas is going to take some Amadou and use the lid here to try and start a little ember. Here we go, unedited. Right, Thomas, go for it. Take a little bit of Amadou. Got that there. And then remember, you want to try and create a little smallest dot. And we should get, it is smoking within seconds. Just keep going for a little bit longer. Try and keep it still. Try and keep that spot, tiny little spot. Look at that smoke coming already. Okay, take it off. Here we go. So if we were doing it, we would then put this into a bird's nest. But look at that, the power of the sun here in London. So let's try a little bit of char cloth, yeah? Okay, here we go. Let's spin the camera around. Right, we want to get a bit of that black stuff. Just in a little bit. Yeah, that'll be fine. That might be a bit too small, but we'll see. Okay, so hopefully same process, Thomas. Get that tiny little. Put a bit more on the cloth. Try and keep it still. Oh, look at that! Within seconds. I'm so hoping this is in focus. If you take it away, Thomas, take it away. Look at that. That is the power. Again, with a bit of char cloth. Again, we would put that into a bird's nest, blow it up, and poof, we would do it. So there we go. Thomas's first time firelighting used the power of Mother Nature and the sun. How cool is that? Do you like it?
Cool, yeah.
Is it better using the sun or the fire still? What would you prefer?
This.
This. It's super cool. So if you can, get a Hudson Bay and it's sunny, get out in the back garden. Scouts love it. Leaders love it. It's a bit of fun. What would you say? Out of 10, how fun was that?
9.
Oh, 9.